I would love to be sitting right now, but apparently this wig is like 40 inches long, according to their website. So. Hi, I'm Sodapop Cosplays, and today, I don't really know why I'm doing this, but I have a wig in the mail, and I'm gonna be reviewing it, even though I'm not a big enough social media person for you to really be taking my word for this, but here we are. So today we're going to be reviewing Uniwigs. I already opened the package, but like only that part of the packaging. It came like double packaged, so that's really fun. But I took the box out of the package and the box kind of sprung open, so I'm kind of excited to see what's in there. But first, before we get into the wig, they came with this little like cute little velvet bag, which I really like. Velvet is my favorite texture. Oh, it comes with a little comb, and a rat tail comb. So that's nice. I'm gonna keep these in there so I don't lose them. Now on to the box. The package kind of sprung out, but that's the box. It's not staying on there very well. It's kind of leaking out the sides. So I'm just gonna put my wig cap on and, well, so yep, these fell out of it. It's a wig cap. Comes with 2 wig caps, which is cool. I've had some wigs that don't come with any wig caps, and I'm like, I lost mine, but okay. Here she is. She's kind of bursting out of her little container. That's okay. Okay, I'm gonna bring this out of this before it yeets itself out of here. So that's the cap. It's very tangled. That's okay though. A lot of wigs are. It's super long. Clearly had a bit of a journey in the shipping. So, whew, I'm gonna shake it out a little bit. Oh wow. Oh, she's long. My arm is fully extended, and my arm is like 2 feet long. Maybe, I don't know how long my arm is, but it's fully extended. Anyways, here's the beast. Here's the monster. She's very full. Like, oh my gosh, she full. The wig cap is actually fairly nice construction-wise. I tightened it already to fit my head. But the wig cap construction is fairly nice. It's got, you know, your basic little part thing, and then a whole bunch of wefts, and then the tightener bits, the sizing thing. I don't know what you call those, so I'm not going to attempt to call them anything because I have no idea what they're called. But yeah, I don't really know what else to talk about with this. It's not shiny. I mean, it is, but it's not like unbearably like costume hair shiny. It's like healthy hair shiny, you know? So there's that. I'm a little curious about how the part is going to, or the hairline's gonna hold up, because it's sewn in like that, and like it looks like that, which a lot of party store wigs have that rep for kind of having this. It's not a lace front, but obviously it's not a lace front. But I am a little curious how that's gonna look. It kind of feels like a party store wig, only in the front though. Like it might have been teased or something, but I don't know. I don't know what's going on in the front. It feels nice though. It does feel like a high quality wig, but there's something about that front that's throwing me off. So I'm gonna pop this on. Okay, the hairline isn't as bad now that it's on, except for this part right here. It's not covered. I'm going to assume that's not on purpose, because you can see that pretty clearly. So that might be like a mishap or something. I don't know. Yeah, no, it's cute though. The part or the hairline in the front wasn't as bad as I was expecting it to look. It doesn't look like natural obviously, but it also doesn't look awful. I do absolutely love the volume on it though. Does make me feel like a Disney princess, which is what I bought this for. I bought this from Merida from Brave, and it does make me feel like I'm a Scottish princess. Kind of feel like a fairy. Now we do, does it hold stuff test? Yes. Which is always a good thing in my book. Yeah. So it's not like tangled, it's just there. It's not matted or tangled or anything, it's just, I've also been throwing it around a lot, so that's partially on me. And it does look a little weird because my face isn't like animated or anything, and I have this giant head of hair. Not animated, but like, you know, full of animation kind of style makeup. Very fun, super long, which I really like. My camera died, so sorry for the weird change in setup. Anyways, I would definitely wear this wig to like a convention or something. It's not hot. It's actually not that like scratchy or irritating like sensory wise, so that's really nice. Gets caught on everything, we'll say that though. But yeah, no, would wear this to a convention for a few hours. Super long. The only like gripe I have about the actual like packaging is that it doesn't come in like a bag like most wigs do, because that's how I store my wigs, but that's literally just a personal thing. I really do like the cute like professionalism of the box, despite the fact that this wig was literally like coming out of the box when I opened it up. But yeah, no. Yeah, anyways, really pretty wig. Super long, very full volume wise. Would buy from them again if their wigs weren't $150 normally. This one was $30, I got it on sale. But yeah, that was my little wig review. I hope you enjoyed. Love you. Bye.